Welcome to this brief overview of the search templates that can be found in your LexisNexis Newsdesk trial account. In this session, we will take an in-depth look at the template searches that have been pre-configured in your account and how you can use these searches to look for specific things that are important to you. The template searches are broken into 4 categories: general searches, entity-specific searches, company-specific activity searches, and finally, media-specific searches. Let's begin by clicking on the simple search. This search is a very generic search, and because it is a template, we need to click the Save As to save a copy to our My Content. Now, by clicking on Save Content, and then click on the version of the search you just saved. From here, click the Edit button. You will be able to see the search logic that lays underneath. This search shows how you would use the connector terms to build a query for a few parts. This search looks for term 1 and 2, or term 3, but not term 4. Feel free to remove or replace anything in this search and save it when you are finished. You will follow the same process for the complex search and will find that there are more complex search terms shown in this example. To learn more about these search terms, click on the menu under your name and select the help file. Here you will find all you need to know about the Newsdesk solution, as well as be able to create simple and advanced searches. The next 3 searches deal with logic that will allow you to search for a company, person, or product. Begin by clicking the company search. To your left, you will see a box that says Your Company. To change this search, simply highlight the text and replace it with the company you are searching for. When you are ready, click Return. Remember that if the company name is more than 2 words, you will need to put all of those words in quotes. To save this search, simply click the Save As and save it to My Content. The people and the product searches will work in this same way. The next 3 searches will include search terms looking for specific types of company activity. As you will see by clicking the Company Executive Move search, these are designed in much the same way the previous 3 searches were designed, where you can change the company name and replace it with your own. For the final 2 searches, we are looking at specific types of media content. The first search is looking across all the social media content within Newsdesk, while the second search is specific to looking only at Twitter content. Clicking on this search will show that it has been pre-configured to look at eBay mentions across the slice of Twitter content that this trial account has access to. Simply replace eBay with some other term to refine this search. We hope you have found this overview of the LexisNexis Newsdesk trial account search templates helpful. For additional questions about this tool, please reference the additional training videos, the help guide, or call our client services customer support number. Thank you.